In this video, I am going to show you how to enter a referral code on TEMU for exclusive deals. Start by opening the TEMU app on your device or navigate to the website. Once you're in, look for the U option, typically located at the bottom of your screen on the app. Tap on it to access your profile and account settings. In your account menu, scroll until you find the Coupons and Offers section. It's usually positioned as the third-party option or a third option, making it easy to locate. Tap on it to proceed to the next step. Inside the Coupons and Offers section, look for the Unused tab where you can manage your codes and coupons. Here, you'll find an area labeled Input Coupon Code. This is where you'll enter the referral code you have. After entering the referral code, you're all set. The benefits associated with that code will be discounted or special offers will be applied to your account. Enjoy the perks that come with it and your next purchase. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this.